Breaking news: Nigerian judiciary becoming the coffee of democracy. Shehu Sani reacts to the Court of Appeal rulings. It seems that the Nigerian judiciary is gradually setting this country on fire, with a social activist who is a former federal lawmaker, Senator Shehu Sani, who have reacted to this, has said that the Nigerian judiciary is fast becoming what he described as the coffee of democracy. Senator Shehu Sani, who represented Kaduna Central Senatorial District in the 8th National Assembly, said this while reacting to the Court of Appeal judgment, which sacked the Plateau State Governor, Governor Caleb Mutfwang of the People's Democratic Party, and declared Natawi of the All Progressive Congress the winner of the March 18th governorship election. It was reported that the Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja sacked Governor Mutfwang and declared his election as null and void. A three-member panel, in an unanimous decision on Sunday, held that Mutfwang was not validly sponsored by the People's Democratic Party as provided by Section 285 of the Nigerian Constitution. The panel held that the appeal brought by Natawi Gashwi of the All Progressive Congress succeeds, as the issue of qualification was both a pre- and post-election matter under Section 177 of the Nigerian Constitution 1999 and Section 80 and 82 of the Electoral Act 2022. The panel agreed with the APC candidate that the failure of the PDP to comply with the order of the Plateau State High Court in a suit that was filed at the PDP and was directing it to conduct a valid ward, local government and state congress before nominating its candidate for the various elective posts, and the court order in CAJ 193/2021 was a breach of law. Reacting to the judgment, the former lawmaker described the appeal court verdict as unfortunate, unacceptable, condemnable, and a broad daylight heist of the will of people. Senator Shehu Sani wrote on his X handle saying, "The Court of Appeal judgment against the electoral victory of Plateau State Governor is unfortunate, it is unacceptable, and it is condemnable. This is a broad daylight heist of the will of people. The bench is becoming a coffin of democracy." And here we have it. The Nigerian democracy is gradually fading, my country people. Is gradually failing. We don't have a judicial system. It seems that what's playing out now is Operation Retrieve All Gubernatorial Seats. I'm talking about the APC wanting to take over all states in the federation through the judiciary. I'm talking about the court, the tribunal, fixing in APC candidates, APC Guber candidates. But there we have it. The reason why our country is the way it is that they play along with politicians to make laws not to be obeyed again. Imagine the court of the same jurisdiction giving two different orders on a particular matter. They should just go there and paint the Supreme Court headquarters in Abuja, the symbol and logo of APC. Judiciary is now becoming the enemy of a democratic government in Nigeria. What goes around surely comes around. The Nigerian Constitution is upside down. The judiciary will regret this one day. It is unfortunate that the judiciary has become a tool in the hands of some elites. The judges of various courts have become an APC card-carrying members in disguise. What an insult to the judiciary. The judiciary is almost turning Nigeria into a one-party state with their style of judgment. It appears that all the judges and justices are the card-carrying members of the party. So it is so obvious that the hope of the common man is gone. A lot is happening in Nigeria. Nigeria is a country where everything is going upside down. It is a bitter truth and a setback to democracy in Nigeria. The judiciary has become an infant that the government in power feed milk. As long as the judicial system is independent on the FG, is dependent on the FG, we should not expect justice. We will continue to fight through. It's just best that the military should come, because the APC political party has established itself as a one-party system in Nigeria. Either you are an APC or you are an enemy of the country. Well, they should start fighting themselves. Don't worry, they would see. Nothing like justice in Nigeria. We should all accept this. Guys, these are reactions from Nigerians. So my country people, what are your thoughts on this? It's obvious that there is no dignity left with the Nigerian judiciary. They have sold themselves out to politicians. Very soon, revolution will hit the Nigerian judiciary. This is becoming too much. Judiciary want to cash out from politicians. And this is so terrible for the nation. It's obvious that the judiciary is dead in Nigeria. And now Shehu Sani have given his own thoughts that at this point, the Nigerian judiciary is gone. There is nothing like democracy in this country, because the Nigerian judiciary is becoming the coffee of democracy, meaning that they are the ones putting an end to democracy. They are the ones putting an end to democracy in this country by fast-tracking things, putting things where they ought to not have been. The court would come out today and give a declaration. Tomorrow, they would still give a declaration, causing confusion here and there. We recall that a 3-member panel of the appellate court had, in an unanimous decision on Sunday, ruled that Mr. Caleb Mutfwang was not validly sponsored by the PDP. Meanwhile, they've been quiet all this while. They never raised the lamp until after the election. So Shehu Sani have said democracy is not, working in this country. That the Nigerian judiciary is becoming the coffee of democracy. We talk about democracy. It's obvious that democracy is not working in this country. It's obvious that democracy is not working in this country. We have to think about this. We have to question ourselves. What will work for us in Nigeria? Because definitely we are not practicing democracy. We are not. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts concerning this in the comment section. Thank you.